Before you spend your money on Onuia Towels, there are a few things you should know that could change your decision. Onuia markets its towels as luxury quality products made from ultra-soft 600 GSM cotton, promising a 5-star hotel experience with high absorbency, long-lasting softness, and resistance to lint, pilling, and wear even after repeated washing. These are impressive claims, but after researching the brand, its website, and customer experiences, the overall picture appears much more balanced than the advertising suggests. While some buyers say the towels feel soft when first unpacked and appreciate their appearance, a significant number of customers report issues that raise important questions. Common complaints include excessive lint shedding during the first several washes, lower than expected absorbency, fraying edges, color bleeding, and towels that feel thinner than the premium hotel quality image presented on the website. Customer service is another area where opinions are divided, with several buyers mentioning delayed shipping, incomplete orders, slow responses, and difficulties obtaining refunds or replacements. Looking at online reviews, there is a noticeable percentage of 1-star ratings, with many repeating similar concerns about quality and after-sales support. Beyond product performance, some aspects of the company's marketing also deserve a closer look. The website highlights thousands of satisfied customers, yet certain pages display messages suggesting there are no reviews available, creating inconsistency that may leave potential buyers with questions. Some testimonials also appear repeatedly across different sections of the site, while frequent large discounts, countdown timers, and almost sold-out notifications create a sense of urgency that shoppers should evaluate carefully rather than relying on emotional pressure. Company transparency has also been questioned by some reviewers, with listed addresses appearing to correspond to registered or residential locations instead of clearly identifiable business operations. None of these points alone prove that Onuia Towels are a scam, but together they suggest that buyers should approach the brand with realistic expectations. Based on the available information, Onuia Towels appear to be a legitimate business selling real products, but the premium marketing claims may not consistently match every customer's experience. If you're considering a purchase, compare independent reviews, review the return policy carefully, and decide whether the advertised luxury experience justifies the price before placing your order.